Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will quickly show you how to use the remote starter. So this is the button for the remote starter on the key fob. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, I'm sitting inside the vehicle right now, but that doesn't really matter. Now, to use the remote starter, if the vehicle is unlocked and you press this button twice, nothing will happen. So, how it's usually done, you have to press the lock button once and then press the remote starter button twice. And this will start the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.